how to delete my Booksy account. Hello everyone, welcome to today's tutorial. In this video, you would learn how you can delete your Booksy account. To delete your Booksy account is very simple. The first step is to log in into your account just like I've done here. Then move to the bottom right corner where you can see your profile icon. Then once you clicked on it, you'll be brought to your profiles page. On this page, you can see a number of options like family and friends, gift cards, account and settings, etc. Ensure you click on account and settings. On the account and settings page, the first option here is account details. So ensure you click on that. Then on the account details page, you can see personal details. So scroll down and click on account deletion process as you can see on my screen. And so you'll be brought to the delete accounts page. So on this page, you can see your account and personal information will be permanently deleted after your request, etc. And so go ahead and click on delete account. And once you've clicked on delete account, your account will be deleted temporarily, but you can still access it within the next 7 days. Or after 7 days, your account will be permanently deleted. All your upcoming appointments will be cancelled, and you would not be able to book new appointments and all of that. So this is it. This is how you can delete your account on Booksy. But if you encounter any issues while trying to do this, the next option is for you to contact the customer support. And how do you do so? On the profiles page, click on feedback and support. Click on about Booksy, and I click on Booksy website. You'll be taken to the website where you can ask your question. Or by the time you click on about by the time you're on your profiles page, you can check any other option, all of the options here to see if you can see the option. But the major way is what I have said. Click on about Booksy, click on Booksy website, and you'll be taken to the website page where you can now reach out to the customer support. Tell them you would like to delete your account, and you'll be directed on how to go about it. So this is how you can delete your Booksy account. Thanks for watching and have a good day.